Well, it says the outside decks are closed to present weather conditions, and a quick walk in here and you'll soon see why. If I spin round into here, you get some idea of just the seas we're up against. Here, I've got to brace myself. This is I believe someone said a 4.7 with winds gusting 50 knots and a swell of 30 feet or more. But I've never been in anything like this, and it's freaky the way everything just spins around. All around we're getting buffeted. And just look at the size of some of these seas. Oh my god, this is just getting a little bit scary now rather than just plain exhilarating. The guys are still trying to do their thing in the restaurant. This is the best view. The outer decks, as you can see by the notice earlier, they're obviously completely closed. You've got to be really silly to go out in this. But let's just carry on looking at a 4.7 gale in the Drake Passage. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the Drake Passage. It takes you between Antarctica and South America. We're heading back now. We had a relatively quiet passage coming over, but now it's payback time. Okay, I think I'm off to my cabin to be seasick.